As part of the 2015 bond initiative, the district was dedicated to the enhancement of our technology program. This program was based on improvements to 4 divisions of technology: police laptops, bus and fleet GPS, data center, and technology upgrades. The duration of this program is taken 1 year, 8 months to be completed, with a projected cost of $100,602,976. 2 of these components, data center and technology upgrades, will directly affect the teaching and learning environment for the next decade. The first step to enhancing the technology program was to upgrade the backbone of the system, the Aldine ISD Technology Data Center. This upgrade includes new servers, the installation of new digital switches, UPS backup and power distribution, and other ancillary equipment. Provisions were made for the installation of new software, the integration of virtual servers, and data migration. This project would be a necessity and a platform to host technology upgrades throughout the entire district. The next step in the process was the district-wide technology upgrade. This project has taken 63 different campuses throughout the district to a new capacity of learning. The installation of new network equipment and cabling, the installation of interactive monitors in all classrooms, and new wireless access points to provide Wi-Fi campus-wide has provided students and staff a new environment for learning and exploration. These improvements challenge students to stretch their idea of a classroom and welcome new ideas and methods of instruction in education. There are multiple layers involved in the scope of this upgrade. Cabling alone made up approximately 60% of the scope of work, and all cabling is hidden above the ceilings. The project engineer estimates around 10 million feet of cable was replaced through the course of the project. That's roughly 1,900 miles of cable. That's enough cable to stretch from Aldine to San Francisco, California. This 1,900 miles of cable was upgraded from the standard Cat5 cable to Cat6, which helps prevent signal speed degradation passing from one piece of hardware to another. New wireless access points allow for simultaneous voice, video, and data applications to support the new technology and interactive equipment. There are approximately 50 to 60 units replaced at each of the 63 campuses. The new Promethean monitors are 62 interactive inches of all. Students and teachers can't keep their hands off, but then again, that's the point. Imagine a 62-inch iPad in the hands of an 8-year-old. Monitors were installed on rail systems and mobile carts to accommodate small, group-oriented learning. The district plan for the new phone system is to abandon the antiquated copper phone line system and move to a voice-over internet system. Even the phones will operate over the Aldine private network. With a 5-digit extension, anyone on the new voice-over IP system can be reached. Classroom to office and office to office communication can be programmed to the touch of one button. With history, directory, and speed dial functions available, just returning missed calls becomes simplified. Every classroom now has a wall-mounted network phone, and every office received a desk phone. In the background of all this new technology lies the heartbeat and support to power each individual campus. New network closets were necessary to allow for the space and controlled environment required to house this new equipment. New racks with the new mounted servers, new switches, new head-in equipment, and new battery backup systems were installed and located per the needs of each campus, according to the size of the campus and proximity to the equipment. Each closet was equipped with its own mini-split air conditioning system to control the temperature required for the electronic environment. Prior to this upgrade, public address systems were not available at every campus. The new system consists of 4 parts: the head-in, which is the amplification, power source, network connectivity, and battery backup; the console, which is the tuner, CD player, auxiliary jack, and Bluetooth capability; the desktop handset, which is the controller, microphone component; and the new interior and exterior speakers. Safety was another issue addressed by the technology upgrade. 2 entry points at each campus were selected for this initial phase of controlled access. The entire school staff will receive programmable badges. These badges will grant entry from the staff parking and the entry from the playground and ball field area. Plans are to expand the security measure in the future for all entry-exit points on each campus throughout the district. The last but not least step in the program is the area-wide fiber upgrade. Even though this portion of the program was not funded from the 2015 bond, it is critical in the performance of the program district-wide. The antiquated NRG fiber infrastructure has begun to fail over the last few years. This old network is limited and primarily an overhead system. The service that is being provided is not sufficient to support today's technological potential. As a district objective to stay on the cutting edge of technology as it relates to education, it is necessary to provide the infrastructure to meet that objective. This new fiber service will provide the district with an increase in speed, redundancy, and flexibility of use. The new ring design, even though a more complicated method of installation, will also provide more protection from damage in natural disasters, and therefore less opportunity for outage, being 85% underground. With all these improvements, students and staff have already begun to embrace this experience and indulge in the opportunity to pursue these new adventures. Classrooms are more collaborative and intriguing. The increase in participation is already evident on each and every campus. Learning how to increase one's capacity to learn is a valuable concept in life and in education. Technology is a tremendous tool in taking us from not just a concept, but into reality.
Like this, Andre, like this.
¿Y qué dicen juntos? Muy bien. ¿Y dónde comenzamos? ¿En el puntito? Verde. De arriba para abajo. Me devuelvo por el mismo camino. Muy bien. Oh, Jennifer, good job. ¿Y después de la palabra que viene?
Despacio.
Muy bien. ¿Saca palito, Jennifer?
Alright, this is the first one. This is the least. This is the least. Alright. This is the second one. This is the second one. The second least. This is the third one. And this one's the fourth one.
Good, great. So how did you order them?
I ordered them by Buddy's because I used to play Buddy Truck to help me.
Very good. Okay, now go ahead and look at your answer choices. Remember, you always have to go back to your question.
So, F and G don't, these, F and G are not, not like, they're not easy. They're not the act one. The first one that has to be is 7 and 2600. It has to be the first one. So, I'm looking for these.